What if I told you that your body already has the blueprint to heal itself? And the only thing missing is learning how to turn that power on. This is the promise of energy medicine. And today, we're going to make it simple, practical, and something you can start exploring right now. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. I'm here to help you root into emotional balance, restore your energy, and reclaim radiant health one step at a time. So what is energy medicine? Energy medicine is the practice of using the body's own energy systems, meridians, chakras, and biofields to restore health, balance, and vitality. It's not about adding something outside of you. It's about clearing blockages and reminding your body how to do what it was designed to do. Traditional Chinese medicine calls this life force, this vital life force, qi. In other traditions, you may hear vital force, or simply energy. Different words, but the same truth. When your energy is flowing freely, your body and mind can thrive. So why does this matter for longevity? Here's the thing. You can eat all the kale, do all the workouts, and track all the steps. But if your energy is stagnant, your body will still struggle. Longevity isn't about just living longer. It's about living better with vibrancy and resilience. Think of your body like a garden. Food, sleep, and exercise are like the soil, sun, and water. But energy flow is the irrigation system. If the irrigation lines are blocked, it doesn't matter how much water you pour. Certain plants will still wither. Clearing those blockages is what energy medicine helps you do. So what are some simple practices to get you started today? Let's make this real, and let's make this real easy. Here are 3 practices to dip your toes in to energy medicine. So tapping or thymus thumping. I'll take my mic off here for a sec because the thymus is just below the breastbone here. So gently tap the center of your chest, the thymus area, and you want to do this for 30 seconds. This helps to activate your immune system, reduce stress, and wake up your energy. So you can even do it with a rhythm. And you don't have to do it too hard. It's a very simple practice. So now the next one, rounding breath work. Stand with your feet on the ground. Inhale deeply through your nose. Imagine drawing energy up through the earth, through the bottom of your feet. Then exhale slowly as if releasing tension down your spine. Just 3 minutes of this can shift your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and digest. And with each breath, try and get it a little higher up the center of the body. So now tracing meridians. Now this is actually a brushing technique in what we call Tui Na. So in traditional Chinese medicine, energy flows through pathways called meridians. Even simply running your hands along your arms and legs, like so, in the natural direction of energy flow can help wake up your system. So give it a shot. What have you got to lose besides a couple of minutes? So now let's talk about the emotional connection. Energy medicine isn't just about the physical body. Emotions are energy too. Think about when you've felt heartbreak. You feel it in your chest, or when you're anxious, your stomach tightens. By working with your energy field, you're also giving yourself permission to release old emotional patterns that have just been weighing you down. And here's a truth I wish someone had honestly told me years ago. Healing isn't about doing more. That's the American mindset. If a little is good, more is better. Not true. It's about learning to flow with your body's wisdom instead of fighting against it. We all need this reminder from time to time. Now, here's a little bonus tip called the zip up technique. Every morning, trace an imaginary zipper from your lower abdomen all the way up to your bottom lip, like you're zipping up a coat. Try doing it 3 times and imagine that you're locking up your energy field for protection and for confidence. It's simple, but powerful. And it's a favorite tool of energy medicine practitioners worldwide. So if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, comment below. What has been your experience with energy medicine, or what things do you do to promote energy health in your body? Remember, your body isn't broken. It already holds the map to health and balance. Energy medicine is simply the compass that helps you follow it. So until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced. Thanks for joining me.